What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So, how do we exactly do so? Since we want to receive funds or crypto into our Phantom Wallet, what we need to do first is we need to get the address of our wallet for Phantom Wallet. Let's go open up Phantom here. And in here, since we want to receive again funds here, let's go and choose the receive option that you see here on your homepage. Now, you want to go and specify what crypto that you want to receive here. So for example, if we have Solana, Ethereum, so let's go ahead and click on the appropriate one here. And from here on, just click on the copy button that you see there. Now, once you've copied that, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and open up our Binance account or our Binance app here. Now, at the bottom right of the screen, go and click on wallets. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says withdraw on your screen. Let's go ahead and click on withdraw. Now, by the way, I'm in my spot wallet if you're wondering. So go and choose spot wallet first. Now, in here, we want to go ahead and choose the crypto that we want to basically send. So go ahead and click on search coins here, type in Solana, and from here, choose the send via crypto network. Now, you want to go ahead and provide the address here. And from here, it will automatically choose the network for it. So you want to go ahead and choose the withdrawal amount here. So make sure to enter it. And from here, by the way, just to give you an idea, typically it's going to use the Solana network. It will automatically give it to you. But for Solana, just in case it doesn't indicate it here, it will be using the Solana network here. Now, by the way, choosing the correct network is really important here. So if you choose the incorrect network here, it will result you losing your funds or you won't be able to receive your crypto. So again, make sure you're using the correct network. Now, once you're sure here, just click on withdraw at the bottom right here and confirm it requires any verification. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.